If you're facing a problem where Fortnite cannot join a match, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is force close your Epic Games and your Fortnite, obviously, because it is caused because of your internet problems. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and run your command prompt as an administrator and write this command prompt, which is going to be netsh space winsock space reset, which is going to simply go ahead and reset the Winsock catalog and going to fix your problem. If it still doesn't, right click on your internet settings, go to network and internet, go to Ethernet, and then click on edit on DNS server assignment. It is going to look something like this on your screen. Turn it from automatic to manual and turn on IPv4. Make sure you have the exact DNSs on preferred and alternate as mine. You can take a screenshot if you want to. So it is as simple as that. If none of it works, you might have to restart your PC and it will fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.